Hello, I am in Botanical Garden in Kyoto. Today is April 6th, and of course there are so many different flowering plants around. One of them is this very funny little one with amazing yellow-green color of flowers and very interesting like a chessmate pattern within. You might see it slightly. So this is a Fritillaria thunbergii. The plant is actually from China, but it's broadly cultivated in all East Asia. So Fritillaria or Fritillaria is a big genus of plants, not far away from lilies, and belongs to the same family. Of course, like all lily-like plants, they have a bulb. So bulbs are, I'm sure, they're here in the ground, and it has very interesting structure of the stem and flower. So Fritillaria has long stems which are not easy to stay, so they develop an interesting adaptation. End of each leaves, especially upward leaves, develop a small tiny structure which will attach itself to the neighboring plants and support the plant itself. It starts to grow with additional support from surrounding plants. That's like a tendril like ends of leaves. Not very common adaptation among flowering plants. The other funny thing, of course, are very big varieties of colors in Fritillarias. So this one, for example, is very nice yellowish tint. So others might be brown or even black or red or yellow. So very big variety of colors. Flowers very frequently have that chessmate, like multiple dotted patterns within these tepals. So like in lily, all parts of perianths, they are not distinguishable from each other. So we typically, don't call them sepals or petals. We call them tepals. So also, Fritillarias belong to the group of plants which has the largest genome ever. I don't mean largest genome within plants, I mean largest genome in all living world. So some strange reason these guys have a big chromosomes and contains plenty of DNA, and it still need to be explained how and why they developed such a large amount of DNA, which is definitely much more DNA in that plant than in my cells. So this is remarkable, right? So we always think we are kind of, and the peak of evolution, it's not actually that. So this small plant has much more DNA per cell than we humans have. Anyway, so Fritillaria thunbergii is now flowering and has unusual structures all around, and I am glad to show you this plant. So this is a Kyoto, April 6th. Thank you.